What's up, YouTube? Listen, guys, it's Sunday night, so you already know, man, I get excited for no other reason than the fact that we get a chance to get back in our bag and do what we do on tomorrow, guys. Listen, man, we're moments away from market open. We just got a few hours, go to sleep, wake up, guys, and then we'll be back in the game. Listen, man, what I want to do today, a couple things, guys. I got a jam-packed video for you, so please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you make this video get at least 2,000 likes, okay? Also, in addition to that, man, I want to quickly love on one of the family members, guys. Listen, I want everybody to do what you can to support Sacred Vibe Candle Company, okay? SacredVibeCandle.com is where these candles can be purchased. I told you guys, man, if you are doing anything and you ain't let me know about it yet, please do. Number one. Number two, we're always looking to support each other, okay? Guys, I already know how important it is, how critical it is to get that first sale. Guys, I was a successful entrepreneur way before this YouTube stuff. Do not let this gang get it twisted, guys. There's levels to this out here, okay? With that being said, man, I want to say major salute, but I want to encourage you guys to please support. I'll leave information in the link to this website in the description and below, okay? So support. All right, with that being said, guys, we got a jam-packed week with everything from earnings, everything from CPI, and you name it, guys. It's going to be a crazy volatile week. What I want to start with is the fact that last week, guys, we had payroll, non-farm payroll, NFP, come in at 528,000, okay? So it's hard to, from a Wall Street perspective, from a government perspective, for them to declare we're in a recession when you have 528,000 jobs, okay? So what that simply means is, yeah, we are in recession. Don't get the game twisted, but what they're doing is kicking a can down the road. And so the official technical announcement of what really is won't be announced until maybe later on this year, maybe even after the midterm elections. They'll hold this off and then might get announced sometime officially in 2023 for all we know, okay? But with numbers like this, it is going to be hard for them to kind of throw in the towel and call this a recession. Nobody wants that R word on their run, okay, on their tenure. With that being said, guys, check it out. We got CPI this week. You've been rocking with me long enough now. You've seen the implications this has had on the market. You've seen the market rally. You've seen the market fall. But nevertheless, the CPI number, okay, month over month, year over year, will be coming out at 8:30 on Wednesday. So expect it, guys. We're thinking right now that it will, again, last month it was what, 9.1. This month they're looking for 8.7. So guys, no matter how they slice it, that is still fairly high, okay? That is still extremely high. But if it come in under 9.1, they're going to say we've reached peak inflation. And guys, who knows, man? It remains to be seen if that kind of number that's lesser than 9.1 is enough to get the market moving, or if that high number, because it still is high, will bring the market down and stop this rally that we currently been on the last several weeks, okay? With that being said, it remains to be seen that you guys need to watch and be paying close attention to what gets reported on Wednesday. Of course, we'll cover it in the videos on that upcoming day and whatnot, but I still want you guys to be on the front end aware of that's to come, okay? And then last but not least, guys, they're expecting a target rate hike of now 75 basis points again, because of the first thing I showed you guys, the non-farm payroll numbers, the 528,000 jobs. Before that number, before they knew what that number was, it was going to be maybe a 50 basis point rate hike. Now 75 is back on the table. It even indicates that we got a 68% chance of a 68% chance of a 75 basis point rate hike, okay? So you need to know these things because it's going to dictate how your stocks move, okay? News drives the stock market, okay? No matter how they try to slice it, all right? So understand these catalysts, these things we're talking about, all this information, one way or another, it's going to either move the stocks higher or bring them back lower. Be aware, okay? And with that being said, guys, we have earnings, all right? earnings is going to be featuring a lot of those high growth stocks. Okay, a lot of the stocks that can run up violently once they get to moving and grooving, and it have went up substantially in 2020 and 2021. So kicking it off will be Palantir on Monday before market open. So this might set the stage off top. Whether they beat or whether they miss, you may see the market get off to a volatile start just with them coming out before market open. Okay, you got companies like Upstart. On Tuesday though, you have, after the market close, you got Coinbase. Okay, Coinbase has already been on a tear, and we'll cover some of that in just a second. But Coinbase, Roblox, Wish, Unity, okay, Cisco, EVgo, Spirit Airlines, who was just acquired by JetBlue. On Wednesday, guys, you have everything from Jamia, Wendy's, okay, you have Vera on Thursday before market open, Rivian, Six Flags. So guys, not the household names like you had these past several weeks with the Apples, Microsoft, Facebooks, Meta, I should say, Amazon, Google, things like that. But you still nevertheless have these type of companies that's going to kind of have to show and prove what they're doing. And again, it can get very, very volatile. And I know some of you have some of these plays, so please be on the lookout, okay? Speaking of that, guys, we're going to dive into Palantir really quickly because they are going to be the first up to bat tomorrow before market open. But check it out. Over the last month, Palantir is up 15%. Okay, so again, guys, maybe this is the run leading up into earnings, and maybe they pull back if they don't report good earnings and a good guidance. Okay, maybe this run up is something that is just going to start the onset of a further run that's to come. It remains to be seen, but guys, you'll know before you know it, because they report first thing tomorrow morning what they do, how they report. Okay, so keep an eye out on Palantir. The next one, guys, is Coinbase. Ticker symbol COIN. You guys know it as coin. Right now, the past month, guys, this one is up 79%. Okay, one thing I'm pointing out in all of this is how much stocks can move. Yes, guys, in bear markets, I don't care who you are, all your plays are going to get smacked down. Mine included, everybody else included, from Warren Buffett on down to the little YouTubers and little social media guys, okay? That's just what goes and comes with the territory in a bear market. But this 79 cent, what I just showed you in Palantir is something of note, okay? We often talk about not only putting a stop loss on the front end, but regardless of that, these type of moves, this is almost 100% return for anybody that might have bought this again 79-80% ago. Okay, that's the type of stuff that can happen in the stock market. You'll never have that happen with your money in the bank account, I can tell you that. Okay, then guys, I want to kind of take it a little bit further, because one thing I want us to look at and look out for on tomorrow will be the SPY. Okay, remember I said a lot of things flow from the SPY. Okay, ticker symbol SPY. At the time of this recording, guys, over the weekend it's sitting at $112.95. Okay, now listen, this has levels it needs to hold, maintain, and get through. Okay, those levels for this week, okay, would be 413 and 415. We want to see those numbers, just like how this is sitting above 410 right now, which is a good thing for us. We want to see this sitting at the end of this week, or when I do this video next week, we want this number to be 415. We would love it to be 420. Okay, what we don't want to see is this close below 408, 404, you know what I'm saying, things of that nature. Okay, so be on the lookout that we don't want to see this lose support. Okay, things flow from the SPY, so it can dictate what happens with your other plays. That's why I'm always a stickler for understand, peek at, keep an eye on what the SPY is doing. Okay, that's the significance of it all. Listen, guys, we got a jam-packed week. We're gonna have major moves taking place. It's important you guys bring your A game this week. Do two things for me. You either watch patiently and meticulously to what's going on in the market. And if you're going to play it, please do me a favor and be surgical. Make sure if you see profit, you take profit. You're not overstaying your welcome. And definitely don't try to get greedy in a market that's already at resistance, okay? I showed you guys in a previous video that the stock market crash warning may be looming if we get hit with the UWAP, or if they do a rug pull, okay? We're not saying when it's coming. We're saying be mindful that we're at resistance level. We're already at the height that they wanted us to go. So if we don't break through and make a new run, guys, these plays can easily start to get smacked back down. Even if it's not this week, just over time, it'll start trading sideways. And that'll be an indication that it potentially, based on CPI, based on other news that's going to come out, could take the market back down a little bit lower. We might retest and go higher, or we might flat out lose all our support levels, okay? It remains to be seen. But listen, guys, don't guess, don't project, react, okay? And let's dominate next week. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Please make sure you join us for weekly options if you haven't done that. Join the money team, guys. Link for that stuff is in the description below. Join the Discord if you haven't done that already. Please put yourself around positive people, a good community that want to walk alongside you, help you out, and see that you learn this game the right way, okay? Again, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned, because we're going to get busy this week. Peace.